If you're like me, you get to travel the world and end up in lovely apartments with stunning views, but terrible coffee, either in espresso pods or instant sachets of coffee. So what do? Well, I take with me my handy Picopresso by Wakeiko. It's the world's smallest espresso machine and it delivers fantastic coffee. Let's check it out. The beautiful thing about the Picopresso is that all you need to take is some espresso grinds and some water. Now, if you don't have access to a kettle, which most apartments do, but let's say you're out on the road and you don't have access to water, then Wakeiko are about to launch one of their brand new devices, which is an all-in-one with a heater that boils the water for you. So all you need to take is a bottle of water and your espresso grinds, and you are going to have fantastic espresso anywhere. But until that comes out, you can still trust your Picopresso to deliver it. Just get you some boiling water, add it to here, simply pop this out. Yes, it's a manual pump machine, but that's all it takes to get exquisite coffee. Comes with everything else in it, from a scoop to a puck screen, dispersion screen, to a palm press, to a dosing funnel, everything you need to really make specialty coffee shine. And it all packs away into this tiny little compartment here, literally fits in the back of your pocket. So let me show you how it works. Now, if you don't have a hand grinder, it does take pre-ground coffee and it makes just as good coffee. I would just recommend you getting a nice little airtight canister for your grinds. Whatever you need for the day, if you're traveling around the world, just pick some up at your local cafe and grab some there. No matter where I go, whether it's in interstate, in the coffee capital of Australia, Melbourne, I can't rely on getting a great coffee every single time, but I can if I take my own Picopresso with me. So whether I'm traveling interstate or internationally, if I'm making coffee at the top of the Piazza Michelangelo in Florence, or under a bridge alongside the canal in Venice, or perhaps sitting on the bayside in Cinque Terre in the Riviera. Well, wherever I am, I'm always going to take my trusty Picopresso because it delivers one of the best coffees. And now let's make a coffee together. If you're like me and you have to travel and suffer through these beautiful views, you shouldn't have to suffer through terrible coffee. That's why I take my Picopresso everywhere I go. Remember, if you're on top of the Piazza Michelangelo enjoying the sunset, or maybe beside the canals of Venice, or even on the Riviera of Cinque Terre, nothing beats the sunrise better than with an espresso. I'm Ryde, your coffee coach, and as always, enjoy your brew. Oh, and your view.